To block a number on Android, first I'll swipe up to go to my app drawer, and then find the phone app. Once you're in the phone app, look to the bottom and make sure you're either on the Recent Calls or Contacts page. Then tap these three little dots and choose Settings. This will take us to the call settings where we can control blocked numbers. Tap Block Numbers, and here we have a couple of choices. First, there's a toggle to automatically block calls from unknown numbers. This will block the type of calls where the call shows as unknown or as no caller ID. Basically, when the caller is hiding their number. It will not block visible phone numbers that you just don't recognize. Below that, you'll have an option to block numbers by either manually typing the number or by choosing it from the recent calls list or from your contacts. Any number that's been blocked will get listed on this page, and you can tap the minus button on the right to remove a number from the blocked list. On some phone models, you'll need to block messages separately. The process is basically the same. Go to Messages, then Settings, choose Spam and Blocked, and access the settings from up top if you want to block new numbers. On my phone, the blocked contacts are shared between phone and messages, but on some models you might need to block them separately. And there you have it. Blocking a number prevents your phone from ringing, but usually the caller can still leave voicemails. So if you get a voicemail from a blocked number, don't worry, it's normal, and it doesn't mean that the block isn't working. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of easy tutorials just like this.